Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about pocket milling operation, draft angle type. So friends, first of all we will create object. So in Solid, I will click on block and create a block with center origin. Length value is 80, width 50 and height 20. Here. Okay. And our view is in wireframe. So I will create rectangle. Here rectangle dimension is 70 and 40 with center point. Okay, and another rectangle but with fillet. So we will click on rectangular shape. Center origin, width value is 40, height is 30 and the fillet radius is 4 here and okay. Now I will turn. So we will see these two portions set at the bottom. So I will click and move at the top. So again change the view in the top. Select these two portions, translate in z-axis 20 and move method. Okay. Now I will click shaded. Okay. Now first of all we will create this pocket by angle. So I will click on Solid, extrude, select this chain, OK, and give value 5 with opposite side cut body. You will see here. And now I will apply angle. So in advance I will click on draft and give the angle value. Like you will see here, this portion is small slanted. If I will change the value like 10, see this portion is slanted. So I will give the angle 15. Okay. Now click on OK. Again in wireframe and I will create rectangle with this point to this point. Okay. Again in Solid and click on extrude. Select this chain and this chain also. Okay. And in opposite direction you will see this cut, but in advance I will hide the draft. So you will see here. See. Now you will see this object. So we will apply pocket on this object. So in machine, first of all I will click mill, default, and here stock setup, all solid and OK. So now pocket milling operation, select this line portion. So I will unclick this face and selection. OK. Now tool selection. So I will select tool 3 diameter, holder selection, first one, cut parameters. So stock to leave on wall is 0, stock to leave on floor is also 0. Okay. And pocket type is standard. In roughing, the step over distance is 1 and parallel spiral cut. Entry motion is off. Finishing passes is 2 and the spacing value is 0.5. Depth of cut, so I will on depth of cut. Roughing value is 0.5 and here finish cut is 5 with 0.2 value. Okay, Now here you will see tapered wall option is available. So this is a straight. If I will click on tapered, you will see here taper portion are available. So here you will give your angle, like I will give 15. Okay, and linking parameters, so I will set top of stock here and depth of stock here. Okay, so you will see this portion is complete. Now we will apply this operation, and after we will check in verify selected operation. So again I will click on pocket milling, and here you will select by face, like this face. Okay, tool same, holder is also selected. Cut parameters, so you will see here pocket type standard, and stock tool even wall and floor is 0. Roughing value parallel spiral, you will see, and the step over distance is 1. Entry motion is off, and finishing, so 2 pass with 0.5 value, and here we will change our depth of cut. So rough cut is 1 and finish cut is 2 with 0.5 value. Okay, here linking parameter, so top of the stock is here and depth of the stock is here. Okay, so you will see this is your retract lines. Okay, so first of all I will select both operation and verify selected operation and hide wireframe view and axis also. So here I will change speed and play this operation. So you will see here also taper is applied. You will see. So I will click on close parameter, and here in depth of cut taper wall is off. Okay, regenerate operation. Now select all operation and verify, play. So now you will see the wall is straight, but corner portion is remain. So again I will close. I will click on parameter and here tool and select another tool, otherwise change your tool diameter. So I will select diameter 1, create new assembly. Okay, now click on OK and regenerate your tool path. Again select all, verify selected and play. So you will see this portion is smaller. So I will close, and here we will finish our lecture. In next lecture we will discuss about area milling operation. Thank you friends.